Hey guys, it's your girl Queenie here from Jamaican Queen. This is an asked for episode. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to speak Patwa or how to understand Patwa. You know the basics, just how to greet people, how to understand when somebody's greeting you. First of all, I'm gonna start off by saying, so Patwa is an English-based Creole with a lot of West African influences that is spoken by Jamaicans in Jamaica and Jamaicans out of Jamaica. I'm gonna start off by teaching you how to greet somebody in Patwa and understanding somebody is greeting you. So when you greet somebody in English, you normally start off by saying, "Hi, what's up? Hi, what's up?" You know, you see one of your friends, you're like, "Hey, what's up?" or "Hi, what's up?" In Patwa, you're gonna wanna say Wagwan. You come up on your friend, you see a friend or your family, you're gonna text them, you see them in person, you're gonna say Wagwan. So that's asking them, "Hi, what's up?" You know, what are you up to? Yeah. You wanna ask somebody if they're okay. "Hi, how are you? Are you okay?" You're gonna simply say, "You're good? You're good?" So that's just basically asking them, "Are you okay?" You know? "Are you okay? Let me know. Talk to me. You're good?" Yes, in Patwa, you'll notice also that Jamaicans try to cut down the words and sentences as short as possible. So if something is like this long, best believe that we're going to turn it into this. So that's it. So far, you know, if I say, "What's up?" and "Are you okay?" That is Wagwan. You're good? You want to ask somebody, "Hey, what are you up to? What do you have planned? What do you have planned for the day?" You're going to say, "Where you depan? Where you depan?" That's basically asking them, what do you have planned for the day? You know? "What's up? Where you depan? Where you depan?" Or you can also say, "Where the prayer?" One more thing you need to understand about Patwa, I think it's to me, my perspective, this is all me guys, it is an continuation. It's a continuing language. So today, something will just pop up and every Jamaican will understand what you're talking about, and it's just added to the Creole. So far we got Wagwan, you're good? Where depan? Down. You understand? So that's basically it for greetings, right? What else can I say? In Patwa, you want to answer somebody. When they ask you if you're okay, you want to answer them by saying, "Yes, I'm okay." So you go say, "Yeah man, I'm good. I'm good, I'm good." Right? "Yeah man, I'm good. Are you okay? You're good?" "Yeah man, I'm good. Yes, I'm okay." So, "You're good?" "Yeah man, I'm good." You want to ask somebody what their name is. English, you'd say, "What is your name?" In Patwa, we'll give it to you raw and dry. We're going to say, "What your name? What your name? Tell me what your name." So yes, so what's your name in English? In Patwa, it's going to translate to "what your name?" You're going to answer by saying, in English, you'd say, "My name is Queenie." In Patwa, you're going to want to say, "Me name Queenie. Me name Queenie." So you say, "What your name?" "Me name Queenie." I hope you're getting along here with me, guys. I'm really trying my best. So, we got the greetings done on lock. I'd like to think that way. So you want to ask somebody, "Where are you from? Where do you live?" That's English, right? "Where are you from? Where do you live?" In Patwa, you're going to simply say, "Where you come from? Where you come from? Where you come from?" Or "Where you live?" That's where you're living. Where do you live? Where you live? Where you come from? How you live, my friend? Yeah, yes. I didn't write down anything. I'm just going off of what on my head here. Um, what else? Uh, uh, mm, mm, mm. So if somebody asks you, hi, what's up? How you doing? You say, Wagwan, where you depend? Wagwan, where you depend? Where you come from? Where you live? Me live. You wanna answer where you live as me live a Miana. Me live a Miana. Me live a Jamaica. Or you can say me come from Jamaica, but me live a Miana. You get that? Me come from Jamaica, but me live a Miana. Other thing is eat. In English, it would be eat, but a Jamaica in a Patwa, you're going to say nyam. I'm eating some food. Me and nyam some food. I'm eating some food. Me and nyam some food. Yes, you enjoy the service and me I have a vibes. Me I have a vibes or me I build a vibes. All these things. So that's the start of it. If you guys want more on this, I think it would be easier if I go live and you can pop in and let me know what you know in the time and then I can translate it. But just speaking off my head, it's kind of hard. It's kind of complicated just trying to figure out what you would like to know. So how about I go live? You can comment down below and let me know if you'd like me to go live. And then I'll go live and you guys can just hop on and say the sentences or the words that you'd like to know in Patwa and I'll translate that. I think that's going to be way easier. So yes, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Like, comment, subscribe, share, press the subscription button, turn on the notification bell. Don't forget that. Support your girl, support your queen, Jamaican queen. Peace out.